Wednesday at 6:30.
We knew we had debris up to 15-ish thousand feet, and we knew where it was going.
5 years after a tornado hit the capital city and Eldon, we are looking at its lasting impact on the community and the efforts to rebuild.
We had lost everything.
It did take a lot of the lower income housing.
Plus, we're checking in with the National Weather Service and local emergency officials to see what's changed and how people are alerted today.
Watch the ABC 17 News special, Rebuilding Mid-Missouri, Wednesday at 6:30 on KMIZ.